Alright, so I'm here at the boiler. This is the Harman PB-105, and it's got some problems. The igniter stopped igniting the pellets, and so I ordered an igniter, but then I noticed this other condition that's happening. The combustion blower is running even though the boiler is off. And when I come in here and push on the wiring harness, it stops. And then later on, it'll just come on again. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. This wiring harness here, if I push on that, the combustion blower stops running. So what I'm trying to do is figuring out which wire is loose and causing the problem. I'm assuming that there's a loose wire. So, I have a little tester here, which is effectively doing nothing for me because it's just detecting a lot of voltage. So I'm going to try and wiggle each wire individually. Okay, so that's this black one on the bottom. This is the brown one. White. See, doing that it just moved something, but I don't know what. And see, so now the combustion blower's off, and it's like, oh yeah, no, we're fine. But these two wires right here are really tight, and so I'm wondering if that's just over time put a stress on it. So if I pull this out a little bit, no, I guess not. I thought I could get it to come back on again. Man. There's no way to tighten this either. There's no way I have that on there upside down, is there? No, because they have that little plug. Maybe that's too close. They have that little plug right there. I just don't know what could be causing it. I mean, there is a fuse up there, but I can see the fuse. It's not blown. It's just when all I have to do is just push on that a little bit and it stops. So I don't know if I'm flexing the board and it's... man, what an irritating problem. So I may have to replace the board, which would be a bummer, but luckily they're available. It's like $200, which is totally not something I want to pay. But anyway, I have an igniter, so I'm going to put the igniter in these wires. Where'd it go? Right here. So I'll throw the igniter in and then see if it just starts working again. But I don't know. It's an awful weird problem just to all of a sudden kick on. So anyway, that's what I'm doing.